Ano yung one word or two words na mention mo kanina?
Good game.
Good game.
Hindi. Mamaya, dig deep tayo dyan kung ano talaga
Mamaya.
nangyari. But, like what I said, it was a great game. Low scoring again, below
Another
both
defensive
teams, below,
masterclass, yeah.
actually, I think this game, nag-factor in yung pagod. Nag-factor in yung pagod na alternate. Kasi ngayon lang sila magkakaroon ng 2 days off eh. Wednesday pa yung
Ito na
next, di
ulit,
ba?
yeah. Tama.
So, since last Wednesday, Friday, Sunday sila, tama ba? Wednesday, Friday,
Yeah, it's
Sunday,
Wednesday,
di
Friday,
ba?
Sunday. Mm-mm.
Yung sunod-sunod yung laro nila and ngayon lang ulit. So, I think etong game 5 nag-factor in yung pagod. Hindi sila makashoot ng dulo eh, both teams eh. Parang nung pagdating nung 61 all ata, nung nag 61 all talagang ano na to. Pukpukan na to kung sino na lang talagang makakashoot, makakabutas, wala nang makapasok eh, 'di ba? So
Yeah.
Scotty had a 6-0 run on his own. Of course, JB closing the game with those two floaters. And unfortunately, wala, napako yung Talk and Text sa 66. Ang tagal nilang hindi nakascore talaga. And eventually, hindi na talaga sila nakascore for the rest of the game. Di ba?
Yeah.
Parang yun na lang ata yung score nila. So, yeah, that's it for me.
Initial thoughts mo, no? Ikaw, Mario,
Oo.
while you were watching the game.
Ang initial thoughts ko, sa tingin ko, first of all, I would like to say I'm sorry to Reynam Bata. Because that guy, if TNT somehow, some way wins the finals MVP, finals or wins the championship, Reynam Bata has a very solid case ng finals MVP. Because in all of these games, ang lupit niya. I
Yeah.
know before when we made the preview, me and Graham said sobrang layo ni Ray kay Scotty. But if we're being honest right now, Ray is at par or even a bit higher than Scotty in some of these games. So yun nga unang sasabihin ko dun.
Yeah.
Second is,
Mm-mm.
I feel like tama si Manong, right? Na sa dulo, pukpukan na lang talaga kung sino lang makakabutas.
Yun yung gusto kong
Pero yung
basketball.
problema,
Yun yung gusto kong
yeah.
basketball. Pupuwa na lang. Sige,
Pero yung
ano
problema for me
mangyari?
sa pukpukan thing was that may parts na sobrang, for me not to be rude or anything,
Sige,
pero ang bakaw ni RHJ, man.
may mga
Bro,
times.
pass the ball. Because may times na halatang gusto lang niya mga Araro. Like, he just wants to go at Jamie
Yung
or
fadeaway
at
jumpers eh,
Troy.
di ba?
Oo. He
Back down,
wants to
3
go at
seconds.
Troy. He wants to go at Stephen Holt. Pero man, if we're being honest, Hinebra has this guy red right now. Hinebra has this guy red at every point. It's either Stephen Holt one-on-one, Troy Rosario one-on-one, Jamie Malonzo one-on-one, and then the random double team from out of nowhere. Yan yung sobrang laking difference. Kaya nahihirapan siya. Game 3, Game 4, Game 5, this guy has not looked great. Game 2 even, he barely looked good. He got stopped in Game 2. Yun yung, grabe yung defensive adjustment ni Coach Tim kay
Monday.
RSJ. Yeah,
Mm.
and yung third point is, I said this from the start. If you can't keep your head in the game, you're gonna lose this game, man. And I, I don't know how else to explain this. Pero kung sinisigawan mo yung teammate mo, kung naninipa ka ng suitcase sa locker room, and now you're shouting at your coach, there has to be some sense of accountability na sa tingin ko if you're Poy Aram. Kasi man, I think it's started to affect TNT as a whole.
Feel
Uh-huh.
ko nga rin.
Agree.
Nagsispill over na nga.
Yeah, agree. Like siguro sabi nga ni Mario, just to piggyback on that. First, it's a very emotional game. We're in the
Yeah.
Yes.
final.
Oh,
We're in the finals. I mean, from game one to whatever game it will be, we're already in the finals. It's going to be emotional. It's going to be high and everything. Um, but like what you said, everybody wants to win. Nobody wants to lose. So sa teammates mo, hindi mo na pwede maging excuse yung it's just, heat of the moment.
Mm-mm.
Two players just doesn't want to lose and things like that. Hindi na siya excuse at this point.
Mm.
oo.
Parang hindi na siya reason to actually lose your cool.
Exactly.
'Di ba? Kasi what after that, bro, what? they scored
Hirap.
one
Yeah.
layup or one floater ata.
Nasira
Nagsarado
talaga
bigla.
momentum nila. Ano
Yeah.
Diba?
nangyari?
And like what you said, yeah, just have to there has to be a sense of accountability. There has to be, for me at this point, repercussions. You know,
Repercussions na.
Yeah.
Okay.
this is not the first case. You know, this is not
Yeah.
the first time. And you know, I've been with Poy. I know how he is as a person.
Sa NLEX ba kayo nagsabay, Manong? NLEX kayo nagsabay, di ba?
Ateneo pa lang, sabay na kami.
Nag-abot pa pang line ng
Oo.
Ateneo? Wow, it's been that
Three,
long.
3 years kami magkasabay ni Poy. Kasama pa yung injury year niya.
Abot
You
pala
know,
kayo ni Poy.
I've known Poy since, you know, wala pa siya talaga. So,
Okay.
yun yung, that's one problem, 'di ba, na I think they have to address.
Mm-mm.
Kasi once that implodes, mahirapan talaga kasi you know how Hinebra can capitalize on that detail na may ganun
Mm-mm.
na nangyayari. So,
Yeah. Not even just Hinebra, but the fans in themselves. Kung alam nilang mapikon ka, patay ka, men. They're
At
Like,
gonna...
alam
kasi
nila
like for
yun.
example, like
Oo.
for example, ako alam ko naman, feeling ko pag naglalaro na, hindi na
Mm.
mapipikon si Poy sa fans eh. Kasi expected mo yun eh.
Alam
Yeah.
niyo na ngayon.
Hindi
Yeah.
mo uncontrollable yun eh. Hindi mo na ano yun, yung sa laro, like
Mismo.
for example, it happened after a turnover he made, a backdoor cut na led to a dunk, to a run of Ginebra, 'di ba? Yung
Yeah.
mga ganun. Tapos pag doon nagagalit ka, hindi ka nasasabihan and things like that. Yun ang mahirap.
Mhm.
Kasi kailangan mangyayari siya sa laro eh.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Yung fans, wala nang magagawa yung fans na yan. Nandiyan na lang yan. All they can do is, you know, jeer,
Yeah.
curse you, you know, and things like that. Something that
Sanay na.
we're
Mm.
already used to.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Pero pag yung in-game, tapos hindi mo makontrol yung emotions mo within the game, wala talaga. Mahihirapan ka talaga niyan.
Yeah.
Dagdag ko lang rin dito, no, na-interview ka rin si Coach Chot sa post-game. Tinanong siya ng reporter, ano yung naging reason ng miscommunication nila. He just got tired of his antics daw. Tapos,
Exactly.
sinabi niya yun. As in, I just got tired of his antics, that's why I got mad. And then I told him, kung hindi ka makikinig sa akin, ikaw na
Ikaw
lang
nila
mag-coach.
mag-coach.
Mm.
Yan yung sinabi niya. And then he
Pre,
ended
Yeah.
it there.
kitang-kita, even if he didn't say that, kitang-kita mo sa huddle pa lang, inis na siya, parang, kitang-kita, it's why I said na it started to affect the team. Kasi, alam nilang lahat na naiinis na siya eh. I mean, alam na ni Coach Chot nung he saw Boy throw the towel. No, inis na siya agad. So you can't tell me na ano lang na one-time incident to. Kasi halatang parang pent-up anger na to ng buong organization or ng team towards what's been happening. Kasi it's really affecting the game na talaga, man.
Ito, tanongin
Yes,
natin yung
yes.
nanonood sa Araneta. Graham, kamusta? Ingat ka dyan, ha? Ingat ka sa pagmaneho, ha? Alam ko namang ano, eh.
Oh, no. Game was crazy. Did we start the pod by talking about Poy Eram or
No, we
Hindi
started the
naman,
pod.
hindi naman,
Yeah,
hindi
Hindi naman,
naman.
closer to
nagsimula
the
kami sa
start.
Ginebra
Yeah.
win. Kinredit mo rin namin yun. Tapos
Yeah.
nag-end up lang sa... In a way, I can ask you, did you think TNT beat themselves here? More than the Ginebra just hitting their shots? Mas malaking factor yun?
no, no. Grabe yung depensa ng Barangay Nebra in the end.
Yeah.
We talked about this since
Mm.
game 2, di ba? Inulit ko, they developed a scheme and
Tama yung
that
sinabi
still
ni
proved
Mario.
to be
Yeah.
true now. I
Yeah.
mean, in the end, RHJ was taking some, ill-advised shots,
Sa
sometimes
mga last
holding on
3
the ball
minutes, sabi ko,
for too
Exactly.
much. Oo, di ba? Parang typical Kobe Bryant. Parang talaga si Kobe Bryant yung pinanonood mo eh. But he was not making those shots. So, in the end, I don't think TNT beat themselves. I mean, Boy Eram probably wanted to beat someone else, but
San
TNT
Jose,
did
man.
not did not beat themselves. Ginebra was the better team tonight. Two words: Justin Brownlee, best import of all time. I know that's not two words, but he's the best import of all time.
Charles Barkley moment ka dun, ah.
There, there
no
are
words eh.
no words to describe this guy. Like he's hurt. Alam mo kung ano man yung in-injection sa kamay niya. Uh, that's something that they should inject to anyone who gets injured because that's a magic potion. Grabe.
Pero ano,
I'm speechless.
hindi natin pwede tanggalin yung fact na if Scotty didn't score those 6 points, I think it would have
Yes.
been a
Yes.
Mm-mm.
different story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he was struggling. I think he misses 4 shots before making those 3 shots. The spin move, uh, the bank shot over Calvin, and yung Euro step niya pala, yung unang transition Euro niya, and then the spin move, and then the pull up against Calvin. And I think uh, that's the Scotty I actually want to see.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, asserting himself. I saw the stats. He was like
Ito Manong,
7 for 15, 16, or
6
7 for
for
14.
14. 6 for
6.
14.
And he doesn't really take that much
That was
shots.
his shot. Yeah.
Yeah, 14 is actually a minimum for Scotty for his
Right.
With
Aggressive play.
Caliber.
Ginebra. Oo.
not really his playing time. I mean, if
Mhm.
you play 42 minutes a game, I
You should
mean,
be.
hey, you should be at least shooting like
Yeah.
14, 15 attempts. And
Yeah.
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 you're the other guy who shoots 20, 25 attempts is playing with 1.5 hands, 'di ba? So
Yeah.
you have the go
One and a half
signal.
hands.
'Di ba? You actually have the go signal, and he was able to capitalize on that. Made
Mhm.
Ayun nga, yung tatlo na yun. Kung hindi, 3-4, ano lang, hindi na siya tumira.
11.
3-4-11. Di
Yeah.
ba? It was a game changer kung hindi na ano yun. So, more than the rebounds, more than the leadership, I think at this point, Scotty has to really assert himself as um, a scorer.
More on Ginebra, guys, no? I just want to ask, what do you think about RJ Barrientos? Are you happy with the minutes right now? Keep it at this, 10 to 12. Keep it at
Hey
this,
man,
or do you want to see more of RJ? Like, just your honest thoughts on how the games have been going until now to Game 5. Go Mario, then Manong,
ito
then Greg.
not to be a hater, but the best thing Coach Tim has done in this series is play Mabaham Nisi more than RJ Abarientos. Okay, that adjustment alone, because in all honesty, Mav is bigger than RJ, and RJ is quite small, right? Compared to these other guys. Rain and
Okay.
Batak will match up hunt RJ Barrientos.
Okay.
Obviously, right now, I think Coach Tim has realized na oo, solid si RJ. RJ is the future of this team, along with whoever else they can get. But as of right now, playing him 10 to 12 minutes, these spot minutes, just to rest Scotty and just to rest Stephen or whoever, is the proper way right now to play RJ Barrientos. If you ask me, ha. Kasi as of right, kasi in any other scenario, he is getting matchup hunted. And the problem is, it's okay if you're matchup hunted, but you have to be making your shots. And he hasn't really been
Oh.
making his shots right now. So for me, the best decision Coach Tim has made, aside from that, the double team timing on RHJ, has been playing Mava Hamnisi more than RJ Barrientos, man.
Manong.
Uh, hmm. Actually, totoo. I would agree. Especially in a time wherein Mav has already won a championship in his past. He
Mm-mm.
knows what it takes. He's gonna be good at his role.
Yeah.
RJ will eventually get there.
Mm.
And I totally agree. If you want to keep him at bay and you want him to learn at the same time, 10, 12, maybe a
10,
maximum of
12.
50,
Yeah.
Safe na
maybe
to.
a maximum of 15 minutes to really get his feet wet into future finals appearances in along the way. But for me, I think LA has to play.
More LA minutes. Okay. You're
Meron.
Actually,
lobbying for more LA
yes. I
minutes.
wanted to
I
ask you
mean,
that.
I'm not really lobbying, pero
Uh,
it's the finals. It's a game of stability.
Yeah.
Scotty will get his. If Scotty plays off ball and where he's really good at, cuts,
Cuts, yeah.
dives, offensive rebounds, wherein he doesn't have to set the ball from the get-go. Though ang Hinebra naman na opensa, wala naman talagang posisyon yan kasi hybrid na triangle yung ginagawa nila.
oo.
With LA there, if you leave him open for 2 or 3 times, he's gonna make at least one or two.
Yeah.
You know,
Exactly.
Yeah.
so if but the stability will be consistent. I'm not trying to be a coach here, but we all know what he can bring to the table. I mean, it's it's hindi na siya kailangan ng ng proof. Di ba? Wala na.
Yeah.
Nandyan na yan. Nanggaling na yan dyan. So for me, I think when times for example, wala talaga makashoot, bad shots, takbuhan, pace, put LA
LA.
in 2-3 minutes, whether with Scotty or if you really want RJ to learn, in the first half, maybe an RJ LA combination. Uh, I mean, 'di ba? Who knows,
Yeah.
'di ba? Baka matuto mag-manage ng laro si RJ during the game, not just via film,
Mhm.
practice, and things like that. So I think, yeah, for me, I would agree with the minutes of RJ, and I would, want LA to play a little bit more.
Ikaw,
Genuine
Graham.
question. Wait,
Yeah.
I have a question for Mavs because he's played. It's completely different when we see LA in the game, right?
Yeah.
When we're watching it, but you've actually played against this man, right?
Mm-hmm.
Iba ba talaga ang presence niya, even as an opponent, ramdam mo talaga yung presence niya on the court as compared to when he's not there?
It's just like it's just like playing against hindi ko na nabutan si Jimmy. It's just like playing against Jason. It's just like
Okay.
playing against who else? A Chris Ross, a Kabagnot,
Okay.
Mhm.
uh Gabe Norwood.
Mhm.
The veterans that uh that's actually, yung impact nila is just more than their stats what you see on the court. And ako, like, for example, one of my talagang feared defenders talaga is really Gabe.
Mhm.
So, parang pag
Nung nasa
nasa
PBA
loob,
ka pa, Manong.
oo, pag wala
Oo.
si Gabe, parang okay, sige, chance ko tong umiscore. Tapos, di ba, parang medyo
Totally.
makakawala-wala ka. So,
Respeto yan eh.
siguro with LA, we all know what he's gone through.
Mhm. Yeah.
Tapos na yun sa stage ng career niya, and I think he's ready to play. Kasi
I see.
my guy has still, fuel left in the tank.
I see. I see. I see.
Whether he scores or not. I mean, it showed today, showed tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, kahit makita mo na 0-0-0-0 yan, but
Yeah.
yung kabila 0-0-0 din naman, wala din namang nabigay.
Oh, di ba?
Yeah.
Ganun
I
nga.
mean,
Ganun nga
di ba?
nangyari.
Wala, I mean, di ba? So, nung time na nandun siya, I think it was just like even. Alam mo yun, hindi mo mararamdaman yung
Big difference.
disparity na
Yeah.
akala mo may liability ka, akala mo
Oo.
matanda na, hindi na kaya maglaro. Wala. Lo and behold, wala din nakascore, hindi din sila nakascore.
Di quits
Things like
lang.
that.
Quits
Oo,
lang.
di ba?
Yeah.
Parang, so, what's the harm in trying, di ba? Na pwede mo palang gamitin. Kung quits lang kayo, wala din mong mawawala, di ba? So,
Yeah.
Go, Grim. Your thoughts on
Um,
the LA Tenorio minutes.
Alam mo, nakakatawa, before the game, I bought an RJ Barrientos jersey. Tapos pag tapos ng laro, sabi ko, mamadali ako. Not because mahaba yung pila sa parking, which it is, pero sabi ko, pwede pa kaya isolito? Tanggapin kaya na to? Kasi never worn eh. Never used. Baka, baka tanggapin pa ng world balance because he's not himself in this series. And ramdam mo na there's something different compared dun sa
Part.
eliminations and semifinals.
Yeah.
And fair or unfair, um, we set the bar too high for RJ kasi inispoil niya tayo. I mean,
Yeah.
there were times na if no one else is going, siya yung pupuntahan ng Barangay Ginebra. He's definitely not this guy in this series. Sobrang ganda ng bunot ni Coach Tim kay Maverick Ahanmisi. I think off the bench, it should not be RJ first. It should be Maverick Ahanmisi. Um, I still would go RJ over LA for now. But if you'll ask me, RJ Barrientos, there's an argument na pwede mo pang ipasok si Nards Pinto over him. Because Nards will give you something on defense. If RJ is not going on offense, you're not getting anything from him. So
Damn.
there's an argument for that. But I trust this guy. Here's the thing. Remember last conference, RJ exploded in game six. Game six, RJ Barrientos, watch
Yeah,
out.
yeah, yeah. I remember that.
Ayan na
Game
naman
6
siya.
RJ. But,
Ay,
but they lost,
nagpe-predict na
right?
naman
But
siya.
they lost.
alam
Natalo
alam mo
sila
ba
sa
yun?
Game 6 yun eh.
Yeah, yes, they did. Oh, pero game 6 Clay, game 6 RJ, I think there's that rhymes and that makes sense too. I mean,
Uh,
he's due for a good game.
mhm.
Yeah.
Here's do. Okay. Here's a third point I want I want to bring up. Has TNT completely forgotten how good of a player Calvin Oftana is?
Medyo
Kasi
nag-stray
for
off sila
me,
kay ano nga, kay Calves.
man, I think they are relegating this man to a spot up shooter in the corner. And if you and we've talked about this before. Calvin Oftana is a lot better than just being a spot up shooter. That's just how I see it. Again, I think this has a lot to do with the fact that RHJ is the literal hub of the TNT offense. But at some point, I think you gotta give the ball to Calvin or to RR to create. Kasi admittedly, RHJ is quite defended well right now.
Mhm.
Oftana only had 8 shots, Pogoy 10, RHJ had 26. So ganun kalaki yung
Oh,
disparity.
shit, exactly, man. Like, not
Pero
the
pero
not
kasi like
good.
for me,
Mm.
well, if you do have, if you, like, I see it with Calvin and Roger. Calvin and Roger, of course, probably not your best pick and roll players. Of
Mhm,
course, that's where the absence of a Jason Castro is truly
Yes.
missed.
mhm.
Calvin and Roger, if you use them in pick and rolls, probably the most you would get is a pull up jumper. I don't
Yun
think
nga.
with Hinebra's scheme, they'll be able to read that quick and
Mhm.
make good decisions out of it. So now you're putting them in uncomfortable positions,
Gets.
which can bother their confidence. And I'm not saying either way that you put them in the corners, they'll be lock and loaded and ready to shoot.
Mhm.
Kasi they're capable shooters, probably in the corner, catch and shoot, 9 out of 10,
Yeah.
90%. If you help from them, leave them open, 'di ba? Yun lang ang problema. Pag nasa corner lang sila, wala nang help. And Hinebra, excuse me, and Hinebra's scheme is actually uh stay with RHJ and make him shoot tough shots. If he makes, you know, 30 points of what? 9 of 27, 9 of
Ganun.
26.
You're good. You're fine. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Good job. That's why you're an NBA player, di ba? Di ba? That's
Yeah.
why di ba? Pero it's nothing. But to Mario's point, if I make like what you said, yun ang napansin mo, they're more than just a corner guy specialist. Yun yung nagagawa ng scheme ng Hinebra. They're putting players that aren't
Just that.
that those
Yeah.
players become that type of players. Diba?
Gets.
So I think right now, with the 2 days off, again, I'm not trying to coach. I just try to analyze the things. Uh, they have to find a way to get Calvin and Roger off of staggered screens, floppy screens, pin downs, flares, things like that, wherein they have two or three dribbles to decide what they want to do. It's
Mhm.
either a catch and shoot, 1-2 dribble pull up, because right now, post up, it's, when you throw them the ball inside, it delays the ball, delays the movement, becomes stagnant, and things like that. So we'll see if they'll be able to develop special plays, especially sa mga ganong players. All they have to do is see the ball go in.
Yeah.
You
I get
know,
what you do. Yeah.
all they have to do, get fouled, make a layup, shoot a free throw, make their first three, and then it's gonna be a long night for whatever defense they face. So I
So this
think
is
that's
uh
that's the assignment. Put them in spots wherein they'll be effective in two, three, maximum four dribbles. But as a top of the key, top pick and roll
mm.
handle,
Not really my thing. Yeah.
I don't really see the ball going to those guys,
Mhm.
and I don't see it happening to any other player than RSG
So
or
building on
Ray.
what you said, Manong, no, I think magandang transition to how will TNT extend the series? That's number one. Reintegrating Calvin of Tana and our Pogoy into the offense na instead of just being too one-dimensional with RSJ.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mario.
I feel like
Yeah.
TNT has I feel like TNT has to score 90 points to have a chance to win this game.
Sama daw ng offense na sabi ni Coach Shot. Like, sabi niya, we're holding these guys to below 75 but we're not winning. Sabi niya,
Mhm.
basketball is still scoring points. That's what he said. So tama nga naman.
Yeah. Yeah, at the end of the day, it's 1 + 1 = 2. You have to score
Oo.
more than your opponent to win. So, but for them to have a chance, I think magic number is 88, 90
Yeah.
points. 88, 90 points um for Talking Text to even have a crack of extending.
Mario.
Ito, my question right now is,
Oo.
because for me, this is a final series where the complaints to the refs have kind of started to overtake a lot of these games for me, like I
Grabe
see it
naman.
a lot. It's a lot of on both teams, on both sides. A lot of complaining to the refs from Ginebra, a lot of complaining to the refs from TNT. Is it is this the most physical finals it's been in a while? Because for me, it seems pretty normal. It seems like they are letting them play a little bit more. Pero
I
why is
mean, they should. I think they
there? Yeah,
should.
there's a lot of
Tuloy yung
complaining though
ganitong
from
style.
both sides.
Tuloy-tuloy na yung ganitong
Yeah,
physicality. I like it.
I
I don't
think.
mind.
Yeah, I don't mind it. I mean, damn, we. I mean, it's crazy how we play out here. So you
Diba?
know, I mean, that's what the people want to see.
Mhm.
Physical talent versus talent type of thing. System versus system, and so far so good. I'm really locked in with the final series right now.
Mhm.
And just as a basketball fan, really enjoying analyzing and seeing where tactical things can be applied to.
Jem.
Yung bugbugan ba na finals, you think it favors Ginebra na yun yung style na mahal ng tao, di ba? Na yung Ginebra na
Pero
madumi, di ba?
kaka-counter ko yan parts ng ang exceed ng rotation nila eh. So what do you think about that? 'Di ba?
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
Um,
mean, 'di ba? Kasi parang kung hindi pa nga binubunot sila Maverick ng matagal-tagal or na-extend ng playing time, parang
seven
nasa,
man rotation na lang, eh, di ba?
'di
yeah.
ba? I mean, ganun talaga, 'di ba? And si Coach Tim naman medyo kilala talaga siya sa ganun. I mean, 'yun, sige Graham, tuloy mo lang. Yun lang ang tingin ko doon ah.
No, that was actually a question na, does it favor Ginebra yung ganong style ng basketball na rugged, 90s style na kinikwento ng mga tatay natin, oh, this is what basketball was before. Um, so I was thinking na, you know, is it
Mhm.
something, did they crack the code na ito, get to dapat natin, sasaktan natin sila, di ba? Paira, they'll beat for their points, which yun dapat yung play style ng TNT.
Actually, ngayon it's working for them talaga. Like
Yeah.
ako, mag-a-agree ako doon. It's working for them.
Gumagana
'Di
pa
ba?
eh.
Parang siguro hindi naman yung lang, just throw the first punch. That's it. I
Yeah.
mean, pag finals kasi ganyan na yan eh. 'Di ba? Parang putya, buong taon na kayong magkakalaban, lagi na lang Hinebra Talk and Text, 'di ba?
Tatlong taon na.
'Di ba?
Tatlong taon.
Parang wala nang yan, wala nang scouting yan eh. Putya,
Ah,
pare-parehas lang ang player niyo diyan, sila pa din naman.
yeah.
Sila pa
'Di
rin.
ba? 'Di
Parang
ba?
nung Pacquiao Marquez 3, di ba?
Oy, 'di
Hindi
ba?
nanonood ng
Wala
film
na.
yan. Wala na. Ito eh.
Wala na,
Panay
sila
suntok
na
yan
lang.
eh.
Antayin mo na lang yan talaga kung sino magkamali, alam mo kung sinong magmiminte. Ako yun sa akin ha, 'di ba? I mean, I'm sure you guys would agree as well kasi
Yeah. Oo.
yan na yung pinapanood natin, di ba?
For the
Yeah.
Sila si
past few
For
sila
the
si
past 3
conferences.
years, yeah.
Nasawa na nga ibang tao, di ba?
di ba? So
Oh,
for
ito.
me,
Yeah.
parang ganun.
Oo. Our favorite part of the podcast, our predictions for Game 6. Manong, ikaw muna, then Mario, then Graham, then I'll end it with the prediction.
Ah, shoot. Yeah, I mean, again, below 75 Hinebra, 90 TNT.
Okay, so yun yung parang range mo na scoring na if
Yes.
na-achieve tong numbers na to, it's gonna point
Yeah.
towards. Okay.
Whoever's gonna win,
Oh,
yeah.
Mano
Safe
always
pa
with the
din ako,
PR
safe
answer.
pa din
PR
ako.
trained to si Mano. He's been doing this for 10 plus
No
more
hot
than 10.
takes
Safe.
from Manong
More
Kiefer.
than half
Safe,
his
safe,
half his
safe.
life. Half his life. He's been
I
doing this.
genuinely thought he was gonna give us a team, man.
He's not
I
gonna
was
give us a team.
I was
I know.
ready.
I
No
know.
hot
Hindi
takes
mo
ready.
bibigyan
from
ng team.
Manong Kiefer.
Kahit lasingin mo yan, hindi mo bibigyan ng team yan.
Ready.
Hindi mo bibigyan ng team. Kahit lasingin, hindi mo
Kahit
bibigyan.
antok na nga ako, hindi ako magbibigay ng team
Hindi mo
talaga.
I
bibigyan ng
was
team.
so ready, dude. You don't get,
Hindi.
you don't understand.
That guy's trained. He's not gonna do that. Mario, ikaw.
Ako di ako PR trained. Hinebra wins game
Yes!
6. Ako di ako PR.
Kaya ka
I'm
gusto ng
saying
tao
this.
eh. Yung ganyan mga sagot mo eh.
Ako kasi, the only reason I'm saying this is because at every point right now, first of all, JB, to steal what Manong was saying kanina, he's playing with 1.5 hands right now. And yet,
Mm-mm.
this is the best he's kind of looked aside from game one, di ba?
Weird, no? Like, what?
It's kind of weird,
Why?
not gonna lie. And then, TNT, RSJ right now has been figured out. I don't wanna be jinxing for those Ginebra fans out there. If I jinx it, I'm so sorry. But as of right now, he has been figured out by Holt, by Malonzo, by Troy Rosario and all that. So everything right now, and the fact that yun nga, as of right now we just see Pagoy and Oftana in the corners. That's basically all they're doing. If nothing adjusts, and I doubt naman nothing will adjust, pero assuming both teams adjust and assuming both teams play in the same way, I don't really see this going to 7 anymore. Especially because I do not think you can play what Manong said kanina. There has to be some sort of repercussions towards Poy at this point, man. And if you do not have with the chance of you maybe not having Poy Eram in game 6, it gets even harder for TNT to win this. So I think Ginebra wins it in 6 na.
Oh, ikaw, Grem. Perfect way to send this off.
Um, I coming into today, my pick was Ginebra in 7, di ba? And I want that to be correct.
Oh, yung tayo
I want,
naman nung kahapon.
I want to sound like a genius. But the thing is, mahirap na talunin yung team na nasa kanila na yung momentum. Let me ask you, si FPJ, pag sinapak siya ni Paquito Diaz, pag nakabawi ba si FPJ, nakakabawi pa si Paquito Diaz? No. No. So this is over in on Wednesday. Like,
Puta pre, hindi na namin naabutan yun, pre.
well, you know,
Hindi na natin naabutan yun.
Gusto ko mag-comment kaso di ko alam kung sino.
no, just look it up, no? Yung mga pelikula
Look
ni
it up.
FPJ, hindi na nakakabawi lahat ng kontrabida. I'm not saying TNT is the antagonist, but in this case, Ginebra is FPJ. And they cracked
They've
the code of
always been.
RSJ.
Yeah, they've
They always
Well,
been.
They always
They always
been.
been.
People always love them. But for the first time in the 3 times that they met, Ginebra is up 3-2. Now they have a little bit of a breathing room na wala masyadong, well, close out game, but yung pressure hindi yung, if we lose, we're done.
Tama.
So, this is the first time they're up 3-2. I think they're gonna finish this on Wednesday. Only thing that will worry me is RR Pogoy. Ang init na ng first half. If we see that RR Pogoy again, TNT has a chance. I think he has to be the X factor in game 6. If RR Pogoy is off, then
I mean,
sayonara for me.
shit, inaantay ko yung ano mo eh, yung Graham Sharp mo eh.
Wala eh. I was not. Actually, I think Ginebra will win, but if TNT wins, then I sound like a genius because I
Game
predicted
7.
Ginebra in 7. No, I was not able to prepare anything because I was really expecting Ginebra in 7, but no, probably on Friday or on Thursday. Pag tapos nung
So ang game ba is game 6 on Wednesday, Friday? Friday.
Ganon
Yes,
ganon pa rin. They're
6
gonna
and
follow
7.
that schedule.
6 and 7. So, and it also gives JB 2 more days to rest. Diba? Hindi siya yung kinabukasan may laro agad. So, pwede pa
You
lang
see
i-inject
JB
ko
or
ano man
JP?
ini-inject. Justin Brownlee. So,
JB.
i-inject nila, di ba?
Si JP, Japet mo.
JP Eram.
JP Eram, actually, JP Eram. Japet?
JB or JP eh.
Yeah, no. I think it's over in 6.
It's gonna be fun.
I just want a game 7. I'm Zaza Pachulia.
Ayan na naman si game 7. Ayan na naman si Boy.
I mean, who wouldn't want a game 7, di ba?
Yeah,
Because it's been fun. It's been fun. Until the end of until kumawala Ginebra towards the end, it was a fun game. It's a fun series so far, with the exception of game 1. Lahat ng games parang sulit na sulit yung pera mo, and it speaks to how much these two teams are matched without Jason Castro. Kasi kung nandito si Jason, TNT as a closer, it's probably nagdidiwang na fans ngayon. But he's not here. We face with that reality. Last conference, wala si Malonzo. So even, I think Ginebra wins on Wednesday. Actually, I'm a new hire sa work. I'm thinking na as early as Wednesday, umabsent ako kasi panggabi ako eh. Ano kaya sabihin ng boss ko? No? Hindi ko payagan ako. I don't know.
SL. Wag ka lang
Stinklib.
Biglang may sakit ka ng Wednesday, no? Ramdam mo na.
Wag ka lang mahagip ng camera.
Uy, Mano, may kilala ka ba sa mga director sa live? Pakisabi naman, hanapin ng tao mo.
Parang may kilala ako yung talagang nasa OB ban pa talaga eh.
Pakiharap yan, yung Grem Esber. Mga 5 seconds. Okay
Yung
na yun.
tipong naiwan lang yung camera dun na time out. Tapos sa kanya lang
Kailangan niya
nakatutok na kay
umiki.
Graham lang.
Wala naman. Guys, as always, follow 5-star rate on Spotify. Thank you, Manong, for making time. It's 12 a.m. there in Japan. We appreciate you for always making time to join the podcast. And lastly, like, comment, subscribe. Six Man Podcast. It's Nico, Kiefer, Mario, and Graham. We'll see you all next time. Peace.